Okay, Drew, trick or treat?
I think I'll go with treat.
Well, here at Glass Build, there are lots of treats, and that includes machinery and equipment.
Like equipment for screen production. We stopped by to see Erdman, who was partnered with FlexScreen on a unique production technology.
When we were working with Erdman and we asked them to develop this equipment with us, we gave them a challenge of 15 seconds per unit. They have over-delivered. This line, which is, we'll call this generation 1.5, is running about 13 seconds cycle time. So there's a screen comes off, a finished window screen comes off every 13 seconds. The start of the process is using a CNC wire bender, which is essentially spring-making equipment. We have modified it in a way to make really, really, really large springs, which is what FlexScreen is. All of them are all custom sizes. So this isn't a, there's one size, and that's how we're getting 13 seconds. The machine doesn't care if they're doing 10,000 of the same size or if every single screen is a different size. What it's doing as it's going through here, it's stripping away a little bit of that PVC so that we have a good contact point. Then it's actually welding the steel. Then it goes to another station where it's actually cleaning up that weld a little bit. As you'll watch, this conveyor over there is choosing the correct size roll of mesh, and then the operator over here is simply grabbing it from a tray and putting it over. And then this operator down here, he is simply trimming the mesh off, the scrap, and putting it onto a cart. The partnership with Erdman has pulled us probably 5 or 6 years ahead of where we thought we would be. When they came into our facility, looked at it and said, we know that we can automate this. And as window companies started getting more and more excited about this, so did Erdman.
The 15 seconds is something that we're familiar with from a tack time perspective with our high-speed lines. So it wasn't too different from a tack time perspective, but obviously we're working with a different medium, glass versus wireframe versus sash parts. What we wanted to do was grab it once and try to let the machines do the work without having to reobtain the parts. We bought about a year's worth of development to get that done. We delivered our first machine 7 months ago now, and we've delivered 3 more since, and we've got 4 more in the pipeline. So we're really, going right along.
Okay, Drew, time to hit the trade show to hunt for more treats.
Sounds good, Ellen. Keep watching because we're bringing you more ghoulish delights from Glass Build.